The first thing that you need for the photo montage is an idea. When you have an idea, try to write your idea on a paper or on the Photoshop if you are good in drawing. For me, I'm terrible for drawing, even on the paper. I'll try to roughly draw my idea on this paper, just to see how it will look like. I know it will look terrible because I don't know how to draw, but at least I will have an idea how it will look like. So, my idea is to have a flamingo in a street. And I want my flamingo to be really big, like bigger than the building, and in a street. So what I have in my mind is to have a street like this. Sorry, you see, the first line was bad. So a street like this, full of buildings. We have building from this side and building from this side. And then I want to have flamingos like this in the street, really big, like different flamingos on the street. So this was my idea, and I know exactly what I want in my mind, but I'm just terrible for drawing, so I'm going to bring this idea to life with Photomontage. So what I am going to do, I'll go to the website that gave photos for free. For example, we have Unsplash and Pixel, and we have Pixabay actually. So the first thing that I need is flamingo. So I go ahead and search flamingo on the Unsplash and Pixel and also in this Pixabay. And I want the picture of the flamingo that has been taken in higher angle. It means the camera was higher than the flamingo. And I found something like this one. And this one will be the best for my idea. And the next thing that I wanted was the street. The picture of the street should have the same angle as the flamingo. It means the camera should be above the street. It means it should be taken over the roof or on the helicopter or by the drone. So I just went ahead and searched a lot, and I found a picture that will work the best for me. So the photos that I found are this one, and I got it from these free websites. And you should do the same. So just to recap, when you want to do photo montage, first draw your idea on a paper, and then look for the stock footage that you will need, and after that start combining all of your photos in the Photoshop. This is the end of this lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson, and we will start working on our photo montage. See you there.